You searched for how to buy shares of Granges AB. Granges is a Swedish aluminium products company listed on CBOE under the ticker GRANG.ST. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker account, and here we use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GRANG.ST to find the listing. Select the matching Granges AB result to open the company page. On the Granges AB page, you will see basic company information and a price chart that tracks recent trading. Confirm the name, ticker GRANG.ST in exchange to ensure it is the correct stock. Click Invest or Trade to start a buy order. Then enter the amount you want to invest and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or executed when trading resumes. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your Granges position will appear in your portfolio. For a direct link to the example platform, check the description below.